Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to use credits on Wolt. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, as you can see that you need to have the Wolt app on your device. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you how to use credits on Wolt. So Wolt credits work almost like Wolt's own currency, as you can use your earned credits to pay for your Wolt orders in the same way as regular payment methods. The credits are automatically deducted from your total at checkout. You can see your credit balance in your profile on the Wolt app or on the browser. So, if you are wondering what does a Wolt token do, so when a friend sign up with your code, they get 3 Volt tokens. So each token is worth a free standard delivery. Every time your friend makes a delivery order, you get 1 Volt token. Okay? So if you are wondering if you can pay with cash in the Wolt system, currently you can use your credit or debit card, Ticket Restaurant card, Pay if you are using Android, and Apple Pay if you are using iOS, and also cash to pay at Wolt. So Wolt are constantly working on integrating further payment methods. Okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.